Troubleshooting your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm.
Hello there. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering why your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm is beeping and how you can fix it. Beeping alarms can certainly be frustrating, but it's essential to remember they're designed to keep you safe. Let's break down why your alarm might be beeping and how to address the issue.
Why is your alarm beeping?
Your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm may beep for a few reasons. Alarm chirping every 30 seconds or so. This typically means your alarm has a low battery. It's designed to alert you when the battery power is low so you can replace it before it dies completely. Continuous beep every second. This indicates the presence of carbon monoxide in your home. This is a serious health risk and immediate action should be taken. Alarm beeping every minute. This could mean the end of life for your alarm. Most Kidde carbon monoxide alarms are designed to last for 7 to 10 years.
How to fix the beeping.
Now that we know why your alarm might be beeping, let's discuss how to fix it. For low battery chirping, the solution is to replace the batteries. Be sure to check your specific alarm model for the correct battery type. For continuous beeping due to detected carbon monoxide, ensure the safety of all occupants by evacuating the premises and call the fire department or a professional to check your home. It's critical not to ignore this alarm. For end-of-life beeping, if your alarm has reached its end of life, it will need to be replaced. Refer to your user manual for replacement instructions or consider hiring a professional to ensure proper installation.
Preventative measures.
Remember that preventative maintenance can help avoid issues in the future. Regularly test your alarm using the test button, change the batteries at least once a year, and replace the entire unit as recommended by the manufacturer. Hopefully, this video has helped you understand why your Kidde carbon monoxide alarm may be beeping and what steps to take to fix it. Your alarm is there to protect you and your family, so it's important not to ignore any alerts it gives you. Remember, safety should always be the top priority. Thank you for watching.